Hey everyone, in today's video, we will talk about how to fix the available memory is running low error in Marvel Rivals. If you have been facing this issue, don't worry, let's dive into why this happens and how to fix it. First, why does the out of memory error occur? It usually happens when the game exceeds the level RAM or VRAM on your system. Here are some of the most common causes. Insufficient RAM or VRAM. Marvel Rivals requires a lot of memory. If your system has less than the recommended to 16 GB RAM or 6 GB VRAM, you might run out this into error. High graphics settings, ultra settings on an entry-level GPU that could overload your systems and cause memory crashes. Background applications, apps running in the background like the web browser or Discord could be taking up precious memory. Sometimes games don't properly release memory, causing crashes, especially with early access titles. If your drivers are outdated, they might be not optimized for Marvel Rivals, leading to insufficient or inefficient memory usage. So, how can you fix this? Increase your virtual memory. If this system is low on RAM, increasing virtual memory can help. Here's what you need to do. Open Control Panel, System Security and System. Click Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Check Virtual Memory. See the initial tab of size into 1.5 times your RAM and then maximize it to 3 times in your RAM. Reducing the game graphics settings can save memory. Open the game settings, reduce texture quality to medium to low, or turn off options like ray tracing and motion blur. Set render solution 85 to 90%. Shutting down unnecessary apps can free up valuable memory. Simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open Task Manager and close apps like Google Chrome or Discord. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date, prevent crashes. For NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience, and for AMD, check the Radeon software for updates. If your game flies corrupted, this could be causing memory issues. Open Steam, right click Marvel Rivals, select Properties, then click Verify Integrity of Game Flies. Increase physical RAM. If you have less than 16 GB RAM, upgrading can make a huge difference in game performance. If all fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game to fix any underlying issues. And that is it. Hopefully, one of these fixes helps you get back to Marvel Rivals with smoother experience. Let us know in the comments which solution worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.